Just like it happened in the National Assembly last week, the motion seeking to withdraw Kenya as a signatory of the Rome Statute elicited different opinions from senators today after Leader of Majority Kindiki Kithure moved it in the Senate.
The Senate urges the government to commence and conclude the process required for the withdrawal by Kenya from the Rome Statute of the ICC adopted by the United Nations Diplomatic Conference of Plenipotentiaries on 17 July 1998 in accordance with the relevant laws of Kenya and the pertinent articles of the Rome Statute to ensure that in future all criminal matters are handled by the Kenyan judiciary.
It culminated to court senators walking out at the 11th hour, leaving Jubilee senators to pass the motion. An amendment introduced by Migori Senator Wilfred Meshage to delete Clause 4 of the motion, which dealt with the polling out, was defeated amid controversy after the Speaker had initially ruled it had won. Despite the Senate and National Assembly seeking to withdraw the country from the Rome Statute, Kindiki said the country would continue cooperating with ICC with regard to the ongoing cases and asked the court to consider reviewing its calendar so that the absence of the president and his deputy does not inconvenience the country.
To review the trial calendar to ensure that the country is not inconvenienced by the absence of the president and the deputy president, and especially during the celebration of 50 years of Kenya's independence in December 2013.
Led by Minority Leader Moses Wetangula, court leaders said the motion was incompetent, adding that withdrawal will not help the country overcome challenges faced at The Hague.
They are cooperating already. That's why the deputy president is there. Why are we trying to foul the mood with this kind of motion? After affirming that we continue cooperating, we are saying we pull out. Now, why the contradiction, Mr. Speaker?
Something needs to be done. If it is Kenya going to war, there's a resolution of the House that is required. But this one is talking just about appropriate steps. Which are these steps? Or saying continue to cooperate with the ICC. It is there already in the law. What do you want us to do?
Murang'a Senator Kembi Gitura said Kenya has now come of age by setting up institutions such as the judiciary, which is competent to deal with the cases. His sentiments were echoed by Meru Senator Kiraitu Murungi. Elgeyo Marakwet Senator Kipchumba Murkomen tabled a document which he says contains evidence that AFRICOP Director Gladwell Otieno had influenced the ICC judges.